All right, here we go. Review packet number 2, or unit 2 review packet videos. Let's start with number 1. It says the following data represents sales for a 6-week period for a salesman. Find the mean, median, and mode, rounds answers to nearest decimal. Okay, so first thing we got to remember what these words mean. Okay, first, this one, remember, is the average. All right, it's the average. So I'm going to find the average. Remember, to find the average, I add all my numbers up. 11 plus 9 plus 14 plus 21 plus 11 plus 15. And divide by the number of numbers that I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I'm going to do that 1 second. I got 13.5. All right, the mean is the middle term. However, we need to make sure we're organizing our numbers from largest to smallest. So I have to go 9, 11, 11, 14, 15, and 21, right? Yeah, that's it. Okay. Then cross off your numbers. 9, 21, 11, 15. So I have 2 middle numbers here. All right, so I want to find my mean. I need to find the average of those 2. I'm glad this actually worked out like this. Okay, so you got to find the average of 14 and 11, which I got to be 12.5. The mode, if you remember, is a number that appears the most. So in this case, the number that appears the most is 11. It appears twice. All right, so that's our mean, median, and mode. Number 2 is kind of related to that. It's talking about a weighted mean. Okay. So it says the first 3 values are worth 4 times as the last 3. So I'm going to do 4 times my first 3 numbers, and then 1 times the rest of them. And so I'm not actually going to write 1 times that. Actually, no, I will. Okay. For there will be a reason for that, and you'll see in a second. All right. When I want to divide, I want to divide by the weighted means. I want to divide by the weights. So I have 3 4s. So I'll do 4. Whoops. 4 plus 4 plus 4. And 3 1s as well. I have to include the 1s. Technically, it is weighted 1 time. Right? Our numbers are weighted once. So I'm going to do a little bit of math here. Ended up getting 108 on the top, and then I'm dividing that by 15, okay, which I ended up getting 7.2. I'm going to keep going with number 3. Maybe I'll do the first 4. Oh yeah, let's just do these 2 and then I'll stop. All right, so simplify. Okay, if you look at part A, we're going to have to multiply. We're going to have to multiply those 2 polynomials. I got a binomial because there's 2 terms, times a trinomial because there's 3. All right, so I'm going to multiply that 2x to everything first. 2x times x squared gives me 2x to the third. 2x times negative 4x gives me negative 8x squared. And then 2x times 2 gives me x. I'm going to multiply the 1 to everything. I got 1x squared minus 4x plus 2. And remember, I like to order them like this so that I can just add straight down that way. So I have 2x to the third. Negative 8 plus 1 gives me negative 7x squared. My x terms cancel out, so it's just plus 2. And that's my final answer. This next one, I have 2 binomials. This means I'm just going to have the formula. X times x, and then x times negative 5. So I got x squared minus 5x, and negative 2, negative 2x. So you get x squared. Wow, this is pretty sick. Minus 7x. That's it. I'm going to pause here.